In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect iPhone 15 to desktop computer. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily set up and connect your iPhone 15 to your PC. This will allow you to transfer files back and forth. You can back them up, you can copy them, you can manage the storage on your iPhone, and this is going to be primarily done using a cable. There might be methods to connect it wirelessly. However, a cable allows you to easily transfer files, and it is by far the most convenient option. It is simple to do, and all that you need is a USB to USB-C or USB to Lightning cable. The USB-C and or the Lightning end will go into the iPhone depending on the model and depending on which port you have available, and the other end will go into your PC or laptop or any other device. So you plug one end into the PC or laptop into any of the available USB ports, either on the side if you are using a laptop, or on the front, the back if you are on PC, and the other one goes into your iPhone 15. And of course, this is going to be true for any other model. Just check the charging port, see if you need a Lightning or USB-C cable, and establish the physical connection. You might have to approve the connection on your PC or your iPhone, and after that is done, when you open the File Explorer, you will see your Apple iPhone storage. So you will be able to go into the internal storage and you will see a bunch of folders. They are either going to be labeled by their category, or they might be divided or labeled by the timestamp. So you might see items from 2024 on October, you might see items of this year, and they are going to be formatted by the month, the date, and so on. And all that you have to do now is open any of these folders to browse through the files inside. Once you find a specific file, you are free to transfer it to your PC, you are free to copy it to your PC, delete it, do whatever you wish. As long as you establish a connection using the proper cable, USB-C or Lightning, your iPhone 15's storage and device will be manageable on your desktop computer. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect iPhone 15 to desktop computer. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.